Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to look around on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to look around on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application guys, first in order to look around on Google Maps, zoom into the place or the location where you want to look around. And after zooming into that place, tap and hold on the place where you want to look around. And when the pin is dropped like this kind of interface will appear, and there is the picture just above this interface which I'm swiping at the left side over here. Tap on the picture at the bottom left corner of the screen just above this interface, and this kind of view will be loaded where you will be able to maximize it and rotate it to have a look over here. You can see guys, you can look up, you can look down, whatever you do guys, you will be able to view what the look around over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to look around on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.